This is a simple homemade valveless pulse jet made from scrap. I like to call it a fart can pulse jet because of the sound it makes. All you need is a steel can and a 3/4 inch pipe, roughly around 4 foot or longer. For tools, all you need is a drill with a step drill bit going up to 3/4 inch and a fuel source like methanol or isopropyl alcohol. Since our pipe is 3/4 inch in diameter, we'll make a hole 3/4 inch. And it should fit snugly, mostly. If it doesn't fit snugly, you can try wrapping the end of the tube with metallic duct tape or painter's tape. I added some tape to the end of it and now it fits snugly. Check out Tung 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 Sahur. Be advised, over time that tape will melt or burn off, so you might have to take it off and put it back on again. And of course, this hole is 3/4 inch because that's what our pipe is. But this one is 7/16 inch, and it just depends on the size of your can. These are dimensions of this. For the fuel, I use a syringe. You can get this at CVS for free. I use 15 milliliters, and I just pour it inside the hole. Isopropyl is easier to come by, but methanol works best. Just make sure you wear gloves because this is toxic. It's probably a bad idea to do it indoors, but let's take it outside. Now most of the fuel has evaporated now, so that's why it died. Now this works great until it starts to overheat. Then the fuel evaporates too fast. I'm thinking, what if I put it in a water bath? Imagine that like that, filled with water and keeping it cooled. I think it'll make it last like a minute or two longer. In this configuration, it produces no thrust because it's pointing out this direction and that direction. But later on, I'm going to add a curve in this and see if I can actually make it push, I don't know, like a little boat, car or something. Subscribe for more bullshit videos.